Hey everyone, and welcome back to another PA automation tutorial. This time we're going to run through the computer space cleanup automation in ConnectWise for a cloud hybrid client. We go through and we select that automation, we hit our prompt. We will then get shown a list of all the machines that have a registered PA agent and activated agent. We hit continue on the one we want to actually query. PA will then go through and find all the bloating files in the file directory, and we will find the size of those files and which one we can actually remove. This may take a minute or so to actually gather all this data, so it might be the perfect time to go and execute a secondary automation on another ticket. But for the sake of video, I'm going to wait here, and once this gets produced, we can continue on. Okay, so not bad. We're about 20 seconds in, and we now have a list of all the files on this device. We can see that some are listed as report only on that right-hand side. But if we go through and we select all the temp data that we actually want to remove, we can then hit submit. Here will then go through and show you and also confirm that you are going to delete the items within this temp data folder. We confirm that deletion. People then go through and let us know how much space we've recovered, and we can also run a DISM to recover space from that WinSXS folder. But let's just hit no, and just like that, you have now completed a cleanup of a computer. So if you want to learn more about PIA, our automations, or our platform, or you want to develop automations like this one yourself, please feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. And apart from that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.